Hello, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Alan Pan, and I am the Deputy CEO of Model 3D. The single most important thing I would like to share with you today is the machine digital twin for smart manufacturing of injection molding. This is the content of today's presentation. There are three parts. The first one is the introduction of digital twin-driven smart manufacturing. The second is to further illustrate what Model 3D machine digital twin is. The third part is to share some customer success stories. Okay, let's see what the digital twin-driven smart manufacturing is. Many years ago, I was talking to my colleague who has more than 20 years working experience at automotive industry. I asked him a very basic question. How many parts are there in a car? He showed me this picture on his desktop and asked me to take a guess. I was so surprised. A single car has about 20k to 30k parts. Amazing. When there are so many parts, large and small, various material, various functions, there are so many challenges. When the concept itself, or the concept designer cannot convey the idea of design to the engineer or manufacturing, it becomes the industrial designer's job to walk the line between concept and engineering in order to convey the challenging concept to engineering and manufacturing. Many car parts are produced by injection molding process. Actually, not only auto parts, but there are also many products made by injection molding in the world. Injection molding is a manufacturing process for producing parts by injecting melted material into a mold